Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. We are in part 3 now of, yeah, you guessed it. Hang on, I got to get my cable up. There we go. We are in part 3 of the ProxMox on the USB flash drive, and it is slower than a hammered snot. But that's okay because we're gonna make sure we get everything working right. So basically, what I'm going to do. So we're going to edit this, and I'm going to make this IP something different. So we don't want 1.100.2. We want 1 dot, let's say 25. There we go. That looks good. And then our gateway will be our thing. There you go. So basically what we're doing is it's running off the flash drive right now. This way, once we get this done, then I can take the, so basically what we're doing is we're running it off the flash drive, but we need it to pull from the DHCP server. Now, I hooked up a cable, and it was supposed to pull from the network, but it didn't, so I'm not sure why. I may have to, let's see, tell you what, let's do this. So basically what we're doing, let's do this. Let's do a 192. We set it to 168.1.25 and then 8006. So 8006 is the port number. Ah, look at that. Okay, that's much better. Okay, now we'll put in our username, password, and what we're going to do. Oh, crap, that was not what it was supposed to do. So basically what we did was now we're going to run a VM on a flash drive. Now, I know what you are thinking. Oh, for the love of hoot, what is going on here? Just let me put in the darn password. Oh my goodness. There we go. Now, you'll always get this error message, no valid subscription, but I don't, just click OK and you can go around it. Modern computers, there we go. Skip the download. Now, what we got to do is create a VM. Now remember, all of this is running off a flash drive. It is using the resources of the computer to run the flash drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this Zorin OS. And then we're going to do advanced, start it boot, next. ISO image would be that one. We just moved it. So that's the reason you put it in the local storage, is so that it's able to see it. So we'll go next, next, next. We'll do 4 socket, or no, 1 socket, and we'll do 4 cores. There you go. And we'll do next, I think we'll do RAM. That should be good enough to run it. Okay, so there we go, there we go. That VM bridge is good. Finish. Now, you see, now look at the storage. Look, now it's at 66.6%. But now, let's wait till it loads. Now, what I can tell you is it is way, 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 way slower than it was before. This is like ridiculously slow. Okay, now, so we're going to install it. Press enter. Oh my goodness, this could take forever. Like, y'all, I don't know. You see the copy data? Oh, this is going to take a while. So you're running both the OS ProxMox and you're installing your movie. You're using the flash drives, getting the crap used out of it. Uh-oh. Errors found in 24 files. You might encounter errors, which is to be expected. I mean, this is just an experimentation. And the machine I'm running it on it just has USB 2.0 ports. The part to move that file was ridiculous. There you have it, y'all. You now have Zorin OS running on a flash drive. The problem is that the speed is really slow, which I wouldn't even have thought of that. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but we're gonna install Zorin and see how it does. Zorin is actually one of the better OSs. I mean, and I've got a video card that I think is passing through, maybe. I don't know. I'd probably have to look at it, but I like Zorin. But you can see it's quite. I've got an actual server that runs ProxMox, and it's way faster than this, like way faster. But I am running all flash storage, so Let's see. Yeah, we'll go continue. So this is basically what it is. So this is the installation process, and we're going to erase the disk. We're just going to erase it. Yep, we want to do that. So we're basically installing Zorin OS on top, and that's where I'm at. We're installing Zorin OS on top of it. So we're going to do test, and we're going to just pick a really simple password here that y'all don't need to know. We're going to log in automatically and click continue. I wouldn't recommend doing that. And once it's installed, we'll be right back. Hello, everybody, and we are back. Oh, my goodness. It's been about an hour and a half. It took an hour and a half for this to install. So we're going to reboot it. If I were you, I would highly recommend not to do this. But I wanted to see if it could be done, and I did it. And it took literally an hour and a half. It took that long to install it. It took forever. It took a really long time to move the file, and then it took a long time to install it, but now it's installed. And so we wait until it comes back up, and I'll be right back when it comes up. Oh, wait. There we go. Look, y'all, Zorin OS, or Zorin, or however you say it. It is coming back up, and hopefully once it comes back up, we'll be good to go, and that'll be the end of this series. And it's coming right now, here in just a second. I don't know. It's really slow. But it is running both ProxMox and an operating system, two operating systems off of one flash drive. So, I mean, I expect it to be a little slow. A little bit slow anyway. It's more than. Let's see what the stats are here. Oh my goodness. So it's running 100% RAM, 100% storage. So that's probably why it's so slow. Plus, you remember there's like 26 errors in the beginning, but y'all actually saw that it came up and ran. Well, not yet. But see, that was a nice little experiment, y'all, to find out if it could be done, and it can. It can be done. Now, that machine I just, that this is running on right now, will actually go on, Windows 11 will go on it, I think, if it'll let me install it. I'm not sure that it will because it's, because it doesn't have TPM 2.0. I don't think so. I may have to put Windows 10 on it, but how long this takes? It takes forever. Okay, here, I'll pause the recording till it comes. Okay, y'all, so I'm looking at it now. You notice on the top left up here, it gives an I/O error. It's probably because it's slower than Christmas. You can see the VM still running, but it won't. This may have been a fail, y'all. Like, look, it's using, holy crap. It's using all the darn, oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to work. Well, so as y'all can see, I didn't fail completely. I got it installed and everything looked like it was fine, but it appears that it did fail because, as you can see, the VM is back up and running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reboot this computer, and I will be right back just to see if it'll actually come up and run. Okay, stay tuned, y'all, until we come back. Okay, y'all, I had to reboot the whole entire computer. I got it back up now. It is running Zorin, kind of ish. Y'all, I'm gonna recommend something to y'all. If you're thinking about doing what I just did, don't do it. For the love of all that's good and holy, don't do it. I've been sitting here for almost 2 hours now, and I still have to see it boot into Zorin OS. Look, it's got another I/O error. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna call it. I did the best I could. I tried very hard, but it failed. Almost, kind of. Yeah, you can see like it's froze now. See it? The white halo's not moving. So it has definitely failed. So y'all, thank you for watching. This is Chris with Cheryl Technology. My advice to you is flash drives are not built to do this, but it was a fun experiment, and I learned a lot. I didn't learn a lot. I learned what not to do. But if y'all are thinking about doing this, it's a fun little project to do, but keep in mind that these things are not meant to do this. They're not meant to run an operating system plus another operating system. Now, I have seen people do the live version where they run like Ubuntu off of a flash drive. They do that in like mission trips and stuff to like Africa and stuff, and display stuff on a projector. But there's a lot of that goes on. But in terms of this, y'all, it's not worth it. It takes so long to do this, and it you can see it doesn't work. So that's my 2 cents for today. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And until my next video, which I think will be about computer parts individually that I built my computer with, I will do videos on those at some point. I have one for Zintial coming up. I have several others. So stay tuned for all of those. Like, comment, subscribe. Until the next video, everybody. Peace.